how to allow certain requests, important API calls using WP HTTP request, so they are not blocked by smart block. Say for example we have a smart block enabled in HTTP requests manager, but we want to allow some important API calls. So navigate to tools and HTTP requests manager page, and page opens and loads latest records. Check for plugins. For example, Updraft Plus plugin takes backup of my WordPress website to Google Drive, and we see that it's blocked because of page timeout. So we want to make sure that this request is always allowed and will never be blocked by smart block. So what we will do, we will go to settings and add custom rule to smart block. So you see that we are in smart block mode. We want to add custom rule. Click add new button and select, we can select by domain or by plugin. Let's select by domain and find Updraft Plus plugin. So we want to make sure that all requests to this domain, or we want just by plugin, and we will look for Updraft Plus plugin. Yeah, here it is, and we want to allow it where everywhere action allow, save changes. So now this is allowed. This rule will allow Updraft Plus plugin make HTTP request connection to any website, any domain that it needs to do. So if you go to logs, refresh log, and if we go to Updraft Plus plugin page and load it, so we want to make sure that it works. We'll say backup now. We want, for example, on a database backup, we want send backup to remote storage. We click backup now and wait until it finishes and uploads backup to Google Drive. Yeah, backup finished running. We can close it, and here we will see that it's finished, and previous was not finished because it was blocked, and this one is finished. Now let's go to HTTP requests manager plugin and see that it's what happened to this request. So we have Updraft Plus plugin here, and it's with custom rule. It's allowing everywhere, and even though page took 33 seconds and this request took 5 seconds, it's not blocked, it's allowed because it's in our allow list. You can see more details, request response details here, and now it works and it's not blocked by plugin HTTP requests manager. If you want to monitor API calls in WordPress and optimize it, view requests, block some requests or allow certain requests, then go and download HTTP requests manager from WordPress repository. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching.